Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Matt from DLux Fab. Quick little video showing you guys how to use these heavy lower arms. Doesn't matter if it's 2.2 or 1.9. Just be aware of wheel clearances. We'll get into that in another video. Just want to basically show how to assemble these. Most folks are going to figure them out pretty easily, but I've seen some struggles. So I'm using my DLux, which is on my Lunatic truck. I've already got these screws out. Bear in mind, 8-degree C-hubs on this truck. So being 8-degree, your button head screws go on the bottom, or cap head. And on top, you'll be using the countersunk holes on the top knuckle. That will cant these. That's why there's countersunk and button head screws on these knuckle arms. So already got the other screws out. We'll pull these last two here. All right. See this little cutout? That designates the bottom of the knuckle. Once again, more on that later. Now you see we've left this behind. The kingpin ball, the kingpin screw, and the kingpin ball. Got our bearing and the heavy lower. We're going to set this on there. Let's take a little bit of, that should be in there. Now we'll tighten these screws. You're going to need a little longer screws. And you notice these are all cap head on the bottom of this because they're all retained. So that's pretty much it. There's your heavy lowers. Now bear in mind, these 2.2s are only going to fit inside high clearance wheels. We talk about high clearance wheels. These are some older Crawler Innovation 6 bolts on some Rovers. That's a high clearance wheel, see? The circumference, it fits in there pretty nice. This has got a hub spacer on it, but it's not going to show you. It's too wide. But for the 2.2, it's only going to fit in a high clearance wheel, i.e. a Crawler Innovations with there's no ring here. It's real wide. Or a loaded dice. It'll fit inside of a loaded dice as well. But you're going to need a higher clearance wheel for all that to fit in there. Now I got to put my loaded dice weights back on. But that's another video. Thanks, guys. See ya.